200 arrests in early stages of nationwide day protest. Breaking news coming in from protests in Paris. This is the Block Everything protest movement that's only adding to the problems of Macron after François Bayrou had lost a vote of no confidence. And Macron now faces pressure to name a new prime minister. And viewers, this is the breaking news we have right now. Hundreds of people have been now arrested. Viewers, that's the update we have right now. This is the Block Everything protest. Police have resorted to tear gas in the protesters to disperse them. And also, this is again massive unrest that is being witnessed in Paris. Akanksha, my colleague, joins us live on the broadcast. For more, Akanksha, what more details can you tell us?
Absolutely, Rakshita. In fact, the protest took at a time when there's a political turmoil in France, and 2 days after the parliament ousted the prime minister in a confidence vote over his plans to tame the country's debt. But there in the visuals, we can see how the protesters have staged a demonstration across France, disrupting the traffic, and they are calling this a Block Everything protest in an anger at the political class and the planned budget cuts as well. But in the visuals, we can see that the security forces have been deployed across the country to try to remove any blockades as fast as possible, meaning that for now the France is not blocked. Dozens of protesters were arrested as well. Those are the situation in fact on the ground, and in fact this comes at a time when France is in political turmoil. Rakshita.
Absolutely, of course. This is more reasons to worry for French President Emmanuel Macron. Thank you so much for the moment, Akanksha, for joining us with those details, viewers. So we continue to give you more updates from Paris, viewers, as we slip into a short break. The Block Everything protest movement picks steam. More than 200 have been arrested.
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
QS&THE, the world's foremost university rankings organizations, have ranked Amity amongst the top 3% universities globally, making it among the very few Indian universities to be included in both rankings. Yet another top ranking for Amity University.
प्योर सूजी पास्ता उबालो, मिलाओ और खाओ।
8 मिनट में तैयार।
क्या टेस्ट है, सब कर